Hello, Shamanettes, and welcome to The Beauty Shaman. So today we are diving into a home microneedling kit called the Microneedling Infusion System from Seranova. It looks like this. They sent this to me, and I've gotten to try it. So I'm going to share it with you. I love home skincare treatments and use many different types if you watch my channel. So my desire is to empower myself and to empower you to take amazing care of your complexion while saving money and time, because what is worth more than that? So the question is, can you get in-office type microneedling benefits with the Seranova home kit? That's the big question here, and we're going to answer this. So let's find out. Microneedling is also known as collagen induction therapy. It's a minimally invasive procedure that you do in an esthetician's office normally. It uses tiny needles that create controlled micro injuries in the skin that stimulate cell turnover and promote collagen and elastin production. It leads to improved skin texture, reduced wrinkles, and visibly plumper skin. So the trouble is, here's the caveat, in-office treatments are expensive. They can cost up to $800 per session, depending on your skin, where you get it done, your needs, that kind of thing. It's very time consuming and it can have a significant downtime. How can we achieve the same or similar results without the heavy cost? Very important question. The microneedling infusion system uses ultra-thin, painless needles to create microchannels in the epidermis layer of your skin. So it basically does the same thing in a much more minimal way. So it's not as damaging and takes a little bit longer, but has a great effect. So it claims to boost serum absorption by a whopping 300% with continued use, which is amazing. So before we jump into the application, let's talk about microneedling in general, just to answer a few questions here. You may have heard of professional microneedling treatments. They can be pretty effective at reducing wrinkles, but they do come with a price tag, as I mentioned before, anywhere between $300 and $700, $800 per session, which, really adds up. Plus, of course, the downtime. So think redness, peeling, that can last for several days. So that's where the Seranova Microneedling Infusion System comes in, and why it interests me so much is for a fraction of the cost and zero downtime, you can achieve similar results from your own home, and you control the outcome, or you control the usage, which is fabulous. I love feeling that with myself. I love feeling empowered to take care of my skin myself with little to no downtime. So let's get into how to use the system. First, you twist open the microneedling infusion system and fill it with the serum. You close the lid tightly and you let it sit upside down for about 2 minutes. This allows the ultra-thin needles to soak up the serum, which is packed with collagen peptides, hyaluronic acid, and other ingredients that we are going to talk about a little bit later on here. Now, a word on the ingredients. So collagen peptides help restore your skin's lost collagen. I'm sure you know that. You have noticed that, as I have, my collagen is going down. So it's very essential to have collagen in order to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. So hyaluronic acid is a hydration powerhouse, plumping up your skin and giving it that youthful bounce. Many of you use hyaluronic acid at home, as I do. Meanwhile, it also contains bitter orange flower oil and glycerin that nourish and soothe and make your skin feel really nice. So now it's time to apply. So gently stamp the device into your skin, overlapping by about 50%. You want to do 2 to 3 passes each time for the best results. So I felt a slight tingling sensation, but that was it. It was actually very painless. Think of it as like a little love tap. That's how it felt, like little love taps on your face. After you've finished, apply any excess serum to your face. Let it absorb. And also be careful for the next 24 hours to avoid the sun. That's just to give your skin the best chance to rejuvenate. Each box contains 1 month's usage of 2 treatments every 2 weeks. It's best to buy, although I think, the 3 months worth, which is what I have here. This is 3 months worth of treatments that I use every 2 weeks. If you only do 2 treatments, you're going to see some brightening, but as with any skincare, the more you use it, the better chance you're going to really notice change. That's just the nature of topical skincare. If you're not satisfied for any reason, you can also return it within 90 days for a full refund, which is a great deal that they offer. So Shamanettes, that's the Seranova Microneedling Infusion System. So it's very straightforward to use, and with continued applications, you will see improvement in your skin with help from the rapid absorption of collagen peptides and hyaluronic acid. It's totally safe and it's painless, and it's easy if you don't want to pay the high prices of an office treatment, right? So if you have any questions, please write down below. I always love to hear from you, and I always respond to anything that you write. Thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.